We'll guide you through how to make null transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place both clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, right-click inside the timeline panel. From the menu that appears, choose New and then select Null Object. A new null layer will be created in the timeline. Rename the null layer to Transition Control so it is easy to identify. After renaming it, parent both clips to the null object by using the parent column in the timeline. Link each clip layer to the Transition Control null layer. This allows both clips to follow any movement applied to the null object. Next, select the null layer by clicking it in the timeline. Press P on the keyboard to open the position property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position. This creates the first keyframe at the current playhead location. Move the playhead to the start of the overlap section where the transition should begin. Set the first position value so the clips remain in their starting place. After that, move the playhead forward on the timeline to the point where the transition should end. Change the position value quickly to create fast motion. Move the null object left, right, upward, or downward depending on the transition style you want. A second keyframe will be created automatically, causing both clips to move together because they are parented to the null object. This creates a smooth transition using one control layer. After setting the movement, preview the transition by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap. Watch carefully to make sure both clips move together and the transition feels smooth and fast. Adjust the keyframes or movement distance if needed. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to export the final video. Your null transition is complete.